Hey guys, so we want to do an unboxing. We got an awesome sign for our barn from Tailor Made Rooms, and we're going to unbox it live here.
Ooh! Tear it open. Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh. Yeah.
It's amazing.
Look at that. So big too.
Awesome. All right, guys, we love the Tailor Made Room sign that we got, and we're so excited. This would be a great Christmas gift for someone on your list. You can make it to your preference, and they've got all sorts of sizes and all sorts of designs. So head over. I'll put the link. Custom. Yep. I'll put the link in my stories as well as in the post. So you guys definitely go head over and check them out.
Yeah, and the sign is going to go right up there.